Is your heating system ready for the winter chill? At Precision Plumbing and Heating, we take the burden of remembering to maintain your system off your shoulders with our Precision Plus membership program. Our annual maintenance will help ensure that your system runs smoothly on those cold, snowy nights when you need it most. If it's time to upgrade your system, Precision offers free, no-pressure estimates by our friendly team of professionals. Call Precision Plumbing and Heating today to experience a company committed to providing quality service with empathy and integrity.